Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Ever heard of Burundi? This small, landlocked gem in East Africa is brimming with reasons to visit. Let's dive in. First up, stunning natural landscapes. Picture rolling hills, lush valleys, and the captivating shores of Lake Tanganyika, one of the deepest lakes in the world. Fancy a swim, a fishing trip, or just chilling on the beach? You've got it all here. And for the hikers, the Bururi Nature Reserve and Kibera National Park offer dense forests and diverse wildlife. Now let's talk culture. Burundi's rich heritage is a blend of the Batwa and Bantu traditions. Engage with local communities, learn about their customs, music and art. Ever seen the Amigui dance? It's a vibrant spectacle you shouldn't miss. History buffs, you're in for a treat. Discover the Gishora Drum Sanctuary and witness traditional drumming firsthand. Or visit the Prince Louis Rwagasore Mausoleum to delve into Burundi's independence history. Wildlife lovers, Kibera National Park is a haven for birdwatching and spotting the rare colobus monkey. And don't miss Rusizi National Park for hippos, crocodiles and more. Feeling hungry? Burundian cuisine is a delightful mix of flavors. Try ugali, isambaza and various veggie stews. And don't forget to tour the coffee plantations for some of the best brews around. The people of Burundi are known for their warmth and hospitality. Staying with local families offers a glimpse into daily life and creates unforgettable memories. For thrill seekers, the diverse landscapes are perfect for hiking, biking and kayaking. And Lake Tanganyika's beaches are ideal for swimming and water sports. Burundi also hosts vibrant cultural festivals, including the famous Burundi Drumming Festival. It's a fantastic way to experience the country's music and traditions. In summary, Burundi is an emerging destination with unspoiled landscapes, rich culture and warm hospitality. Pack your bags and explore the beauty and heritage of this incredible country. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in Burundi.